welcome to another episode of Afro-Scientific Spirituality. My name is Efe West, reaching you live and direct from the Horn of Africa. If this is your first time on the channel, you're welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstition, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I'm going to be talking about the water lily, aka Blue Lotus. This is a plant that have been known to have been used in the ancient world, in ancient Egypt, ancient West Africa, and even the Aztec culture in ancient Mexico, Latin America. The water lily or blue lotus have been used in the area of lucid dreaming and for communicating with the spirit worlds and other things as well. So today I want to talk about this plant and its many uses and how we can also use this plant. The name of the plant is called blue lotus flower or water lily. The botanical name is Nymphaea Caerulea, and in ancient Egypt it is very popular. It is very popular. In fact, ancient Egyptians, they love it so much, and they use it for a variety of things. It was used for reducing stress. It was used as an aphrodisiac to alleviate anxiety or anesthesia. It's used to soften dry skin, to alleviate stomach issues, to regulate period in women, to ease menstruation cramps, and increase memory power. It is also used to regulate urinary system, to reduce pain and relax the muscles, and essentially to promote lucid dreaming. So this is a plant that is very mysterious. It floats on top of the water, and the ancient Egyptians, they consider it a very sacred plant. They call it the flower of the gods. They almost literally worship this lotus flower, this water lily. They use it a lot. It is an integral part of their culture, and in other parts of Africa, it is also very useful, especially in West Africa. One thing people don't know about this plant is that in ancient Egypt, they not only use the blue lotus flower, meaning the one that have blue color. They also make use of the white one as well. They have a white lotus. They also have a yellow one. They have pink. They have many colors. So people only think that the blue lotus is the flower that is being used by the ancient Egyptians, the blue color, but the ancient Egyptians also use the white one. Then we have come to discover that some tribes in other parts of Africa, also West Africa, they make use of the white flower. The one they have is that the way they use it is that they either harvest this flower from the plant. They either squeeze it on their hands like this, then they use the liquid to rub their skin. So the lotus have this property of being able to be absorbent through the skin, and the people can get the qualities of the lotus from it being rubbed on their skin, or they can either use it to prepare an herbal tea, put it in hot water, boil it, then they drink the tea. Or some people can just chew it like that. Then some other people also dry it up, then they smoke it to get that property from it. Then another way again the ancient Egyptians use it is to put it in wine for some hours, then drink the wine. You can also put it in alcohol, use it to make herbal tincture. Then you drink it from time to time, or you drink it before you go to bed. So this is how it has been used in ancient time, and this is also how it is being used now. The name actually is a Latin name that is called Nymphaea Caerulea. What this Nymphaea means is that it means water lily. It means water nymphs, meaning the plant kind of embodies the spirit of water fairies. So many people have attested to using this plant for lucid dreaming and communicating with the spirit world. So in ancient African spirituality, people have been using it to communicate with the spirit world by using it to prepare uh, drinks, especially in ritual ceremonies whereby they give to people to drink to be able to communicate with the ancestral realms. So it's a very sacred plant. In some sort of initiation practice in African spirituality, they give people this plant to drink. You have to drink it so you kind of activate the spirits to make you more more open to the spirit world so that you can be able to communicate with spirits, you can be able to communicate effectively, and it makes you to remember your dreams very well. It is an hallucinogen plant, and the plant scientifically have been discovered that it contains some chemical compounds known as apoprine alkaloids. And these alkaloids are classified as nitrogenous organic compounds that have the capability of affecting the cognitive process and altering psychological states. So some of the active ingredients in the plant are apromorphine and luciferin. So the apromorphine is a molecular analog to morphine. So it is classified as a sedative hypnotic substance. It can be used medically to treat insomnia, depression, erectile dysfunction, and even the Parkinson's disease. So there's also a particular function that these plants have that is very unique to it, that it is called a lipophilic. That means it can obstructly cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it has a way of getting into the blood and into your brain very, very fast. And it is a very effective plant for doing that. So the plant is very, very useful for treating brain issues, for reactivating your memory, for giving you mental alertness and sharpness. If somebody is having brain fog, or somebody is dull, or somebody forgets so much, you forget a lot of details, this is exactly what you need. If you are that kind of person that don't remember people's names, place or things, or don't remember large words or large numbers, you really need this plant. This is a plant that is designed to enhance brain function and capability. This is the kind of plant that I will say, if a plant will make somebody a genius, this is certainly what you need for your brain to make you a genius. So you really need to try this plant, not just for spiritual communication. The plant is very good for brain. Scientifically, it has been proven that it is very, very good. It makes the brain to be very sharp. Maybe this is what the ancient Egyptians were taking that gave them the idea of building pyramids and doing all the great works that they are doing, because they really love this plant and they use it for so many things. So I will suggest that you try this out. We have it in all over the world, in India, in Africa, in every part of the world. We have the water lily. It is very popular. In India, people use it as well for meditation. You can see in most of their books, they always talk about the lotus flower. You see monks meditating on a lotus flower. I believe that the monks, they drink this lotus substance. They drink the lotus tea before they go into meditation. It enhances meditation. So this is a plant that is highly used in Latin America. It is also popular. It is popular with the Mayans, the Aztecs. They use it a lot in their culture. They use it for the same meditation. So in West Africa, some tribes, Ijaw tribes, use it as well. People use it for meditation. So if you really want to go step up your game spiritually, you need something like this, because dreaming is a very effective way of communicating with the spirit world, and we need to take control of our dreamscape or the dream ring. So this is something that is very, very necessary, and something that I will like to recommend to you guys. So the plants have been proven to be highly effective for this particular thing, and it is very easy to use. It doesn't have any side effects except that you taking too much is bad. Just like every other thing, too much of everything is bad. The way they uh, use it is that they take 5 grams per bottle. Okay, 5 grams per bottle is okay for you to mix with your water or your alcohol or wine. So you should be able to be fine with this plant. The plant is very, very popular. You can see it in almost any lake or swamp where they have stagnant water. You can see the lotus flower there. People who buy it and plant it. I've seen it in almost all the countries I have been to. It's a popular plant, but many people don't know that the flower, the white flower, can be used for lucid dreaming and other things as well. So I hope that this knowledge will be useful to somebody out there, and it is something that is worth trying. So I want you guys to try it out and tell me what you think about it. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. Questions or comments are welcome. In subsequent videos, I am going to be talking about more entheogenic plants that you can use for connecting with the spirit realm, and other plants that have also been used in African spirituality for communicating with the ancestors. So questions and comments are welcome, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye.